Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce the Power BI. This is our group member and our group name is Gigi Bond. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool launched by Microsoft. It provides data analysis and visualization functions. It will support obtaining data from multiple data sources and quickly generating charts and reports. Also, it will emphasize collaboration and sharing, suitable for personal and corporate use. The functions of Power BI is data connection, data processing, data visualization, and data sharing. And the advantages of it is the user interface is user-friendly and easy to learn. The combination of cloud and local with strong flexibility and powerful customization ability and scalability, and deeply integrated with Microsoft ecosystem such as Excel and Azure. The main components of Power BI is that we can use it anywhere, anytime. Like we have Power BI desktop and Power BI service and Power BI mobile. The usage process of Power BI is that connect data. We import from multiple data sources, like we import data sources from Excel, SQL Server, and so on. And for processing data, we have data cleaning, data transforming, and data modeling. To create a visualization, we can select chart types and design dashboards. The publish and share is easy. Then we just upload to Power BI service and share with the team. And the real-time monitoring is that we can use data refresh function to obtain the latest analysis. So final part is application scenarios. For enterprise management, the real-time monitoring of operational indicators and decision making is really important. And for market analysis, we can analyze sales trends and customer behavior. If you use it for financial analysis, we can analyze budget, cost, and benefit analysis. The supply chain management is that we can use it to analyze inventory optimization, logistics analysis. The human resources is that employee performance evaluation and salary analysis. So Power BI has so many ways to use. It's a really strong tool for us to make data analyze. So thank you for watching. Okay, let me start introduction from Power BI. So don't save this one. Let's start a new one. So we click on the Power BI desktop and then we click blank report. That we can create a blank one. So in this interface, we can choose data from Excel or SQL Server and so on. Like SQL Server, if you have a server in Azure like database server, you can choose this one. But now we're gonna use Excel. So let's import data from our data source. This is done by previously assignments. And our project name is to compare the currency between USD dollar and Chinese yuan and against Malay ringgit. So you can see that this is time, this is US dollar, and this one is Chinese yuan. So now we have to transform data first. Then we have to see that is there any data type wrong. So we can see here that the column 1, the type of it is date, Okay, it's correct. And the rest is number. So that's what we need. So let's change the name first. We can change this column as time. So click enter. Okay, so we have done this part. So we close and apply. And then now we can see the data that is already successfully loaded here. You can see at the right bar. At the right sidebar, we can see there are three variables, which are Chinese yuan, time, and then USD dollar. And in time column, we have year, quarter, month, and day. So now we can start analyze. The first step is to add one label, I think. Not label, I think. We have to, this, we can remove it. Okay. So add a text box. You see it? So let's change the size of it to 40. And we add a headline. And the text here is currency CNY. Chinese yuan vs dollar against ringgit. In fact, ringgit is already included here because we use the division that we divide Chinese yuan and Malaysian ringgit, and we divide USD dollar and Malaysian ringgit. So now we can start analyze. It has time here. We can create a chart. Which chart is recommended? I think I will use line chart first. Okay, line chart. So we can add Chinese yuan here, and add time here, and add USD dollar here. And now we can see that the chart here is not clear. So we have to remove year. That because 1 year included many months and days. So we can see that this is our first analyzed chart here. And then we can create a line and stack column chart. Oh, it's the same. Let's create a new one. Line and stack chart. So we remove the year, we add USD dollar. You can see that it's really clear that we can analyze. You can see every day the everyday USD dollar and the everyday Chinese yuan. Okay, and so this is the basic technique we can use. And for the other, like Python visual, we can use coding like Python can import such model to analyze better. We can see that. Let's copy the code here, and we import matplot library and pandas to achieve this function. So now this is the plot chart. It's really clear. So that's all the Power BI have in this subject. In fact, we have many other properties like table view and model view, and we can edit the visual like x-axis and y-axis and so on. So this is all included in the Power BI. Thanks for watching.